Si Congressman Marcolita na laging nakakunot ang noo na tumatakbo ngayon sa eleksyon na ito bilang kandidatong senador, dapat ay huwag na nating iboto.
Never ask me whether you are a traitor. This was only the first time that I was asked whether you are a traitor or not.
You are not even aware na sa social media sumabog yun? Nandun yung litrato mo and the claim that I am a traitor.
Sir, Honorable Marcoleta, sir, I think I'm no under obligation to tell all the social media influencers, to bloggers, defend your name, tell them that you are not a traitor. Again, I did not mention that you are a traitor. It's not, those words did not come from me. Why would I go to the extent of defending you and you are running for Senate? I might as well be interpreted as running for, supporting somebody for public office. I heard about your interview calling me gago and mangmang. Why would I even defend you if you're calling me gago?
Meron pong isang Commodore na tumawag sa akin na traitor.
Walang West Philippine Sea ay propaganda narrative kasi yan ng China. Kaya ikaw ay lumalabas na propagandista ng China. Magmumukha ka ngang traidor niyan sa mga simpleng mamamayan na nagmamahal sa bayan. Gets mo? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Comment, like, and share. And thank you for watching.